Hey guys, welcome back. Today is going to be a different type of video. It's not going to be a hair video. I'm just simply explaining why I haven't uploaded videos this week and only uploaded one video last week. My right hand has carpal tunnel and tendonitis in it, and I haven't been really doing any tutorials or anything like that. And I've only been doing a few clients, but the clients I've been doing braids and weaves, braided weaves, and that's the stuff that really aggravate the carpal tunnel and tendonitis. It doesn't really hurt while I'm working, but after I'm finished working, oh my gosh, it wakes me up in my sleep that it's so bad. So with that being said, I will be back to uploading videos next Monday. Yep, Monday I'll be back to uploading videos. And also, I haven't been sitting idle. You learn how to do a lot of stuff when one hand isn't working properly. So I had a desk that my daughter-in-law gave me. It's had a gray top and red legs. I don't like red, so I painted the legs Tiffany blue, which goes with the colors in my what is it? Oh my gosh. In my beauty room, you guys, in my beauty room. So yeah, I painted that. I painted it with my left hand and painted the legs Tiffany blue, and then the borders of the black. I did put bling around that. Ran out of bling, so I have to finish it up sometime this weekend. I will be uploading that video. And what else? That's basically it. And usually my carpal tunnel and tendonitis, it acts up in the summer because that's mostly when people want to get braids, box braids, micro braids, all that. And for my customers, I do just about anything. So with that being said, my right hand is jacked up. What else? That's basically it. Oh, hey, yeah. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share, like, and comment down below. If you're not new to my channel, share, like, and comment down below. I appreciate you guys for being patient with me, but I will be back on Monday. Okay? Okay? I was going to try to do that Cardi B where they make that sound with the okay, the occur. I can't, for some reason, that thing in the back of my throat that makes that sound, I guess mine don't work right. I can't do it. I cannot do it. But anyway, miss you guys. Hope you miss me too. And I'm signing off right now. Stay blessed and have a wonderful weekend. And once again, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. I'm out.